Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What is your name?
My name is English.
Okay. Very nice to meet
And
you. My name is Sierra.
oh, nice to meet you.
Hmm. Where are you
Where are
from?
you from?
You first.
I'm from India.
Okay, all right. I'm from the US, but I am currently living in Thailand.
Oh,
What part of India are you from?
I am the eastern part of India.
The western part. Okay. Do you live in your hometown?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So are you a student or do you work? What do you do?
1 year ago, I finished my study.
Okay. Very nice.
Uh, and you?
I work right now full time on Cambly.
Oh, what are you doing in Thailand?
Right now, I am living here, but I'm not sure how long I will stay. I'm hoping
Oh,
to stay until the summer, but I'm not sure. I do have some family that is also here. Some of my cousins are visiting as well. So I live alone, but we are close to each other.
what about your family?
My my parents are still in the U.S. as well as my brother. My brother is a university student, um, and my parents move around as well. They live in an RV, and my dad's work is online, so they like to move around the U.S.
How many members in your family?
Um, my immediate family, just four: me, my younger brother, my mother, and my father. They're just the four of us. But I have a lot of uncles and aunts and cousins.
Oh, very big family.
Yeah. So what about you? How big is your family?
Oh, I have very big family. Me, my younger brother, my father, mother, and grandfather, uncles, aunties, my younger brother, my elder brother, younger sister. There is a lot of family.
Wow.
Uh, I have 10 brothers and sisters.
Okay. So very large family in comparison to
Yes,
mine.
yes,
Okay. So are you in the middle in age?
yes. I am the middle.
Okay. All right. Wow. So how old is your oldest sibling?
Uh, my two sisters are already married, and one brother.
Hmm.
Uh, Then I have one brother. He's job. He's job now.
He's working.
He's doing job now. Yes, yes. And then me. Then my younger brother sisters. They are children.
Okay. All right. There's a big range.
Yes.
All right. Wow. So you said that you finished school 1 year ago, right?
College. 1 year ago, I finished my
Mhm.
college.
Okay. So are you planning to start working or are you looking for a job?
Yeah, I looking for job.
Hmm. What kind of job do you want?
I don't think right now. I finish my English speaking. Then I think.
Okay.
You
So
you have grandparents. I mean, grandmother, yeah, grandfather.
I have one grandmother that is left alive and she's in Florida, but the rest of my grandparents have passed away. So
You love your grandparents.
I do. Yeah. I used to spend a lot of time with them when I was younger. So
Yes,
I
yes.
miss them a lot. It is very weird to be so far away from my family,
Oh.
but it's good.
Have you ever come India?
No, I have never been to India, but I would like to visit at some point. My dad's mother, my grandmother, she has some Indian heritage. I don't know where in her family, but I think her mother was from India. So
Oh,
I would. I would love to visit someday. I don't really know much about her family though.
Oh,
But I hope.
you like Indian food, Indian culture.
I do. Yeah.
You know Indian culture?
I know a little bit about Indian culture, not a whole lot, just a few things. But I do love Indian food.
Oh, you know sari.
Yes,
You like wear?
I have never worn a sari before, but I think they're beautiful.
Yeah, yeah, that's beautiful sari.
Yeah, they're so beautiful. So I would love to have one because they're so pretty.
Yes.
They're very colorful.
Yeah. It's every color. If you want any color, then you find.
Hmm. Yeah, they're very, very beautiful and
Yes.
very detailed.
Yes.
Do you only wear them for special events or can you wear them anytime?
No, no, special occasion, a celebration.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Special events.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
You like
So
travel?
I do like travel, yeah, but I have
Uh,
only been to two countries.
oh, that's nice.
Would like to go to some other places.
No, I only go in my state.
Mm. Where Where would you like to travel if you had a chance?
Uh, whole world.
The whole world.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I like because not one state is everything. World is so beautiful. So I want to visit the whole world. That's my biggest story.
Mm. Okay. Well, I hope you can make that happen.
You like nature. I mean animals, open sky.
Hmm. Yes. Yeah. I like. It's nice to be in different places. So places that have lots of nature and places that have beaches and mountains. And it's
Yes,
also
yes.
nice to sometimes be in cities, like big
Yeah.
cities. And,
It's it's noiseless. It's so peaceful.
mhm. Yeah, that is what I like about being here. It's very peaceful and I enjoy
Yes.
it a lot. It's not crazy. Um, I enjoy that.
You can understand my English.
Yes, yeah, I can. I
Yeah,
can
you know.
understand you pretty well. So you
Oh,
said that
thank
you
you.
want to practice your English before you start looking for a job, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
You playing sports?
When I was a kid, I used to play sports,
Oh,
but I have not really played any sports in a while. I played volleyball and I was on a swim team.
oh. So you like volleyball?
I do like volleyball, yeah. And my
You,
brother
you,
was in basketball.
you like cricket?
I don't know very much about cricket. I know that's like the biggest sport in India, but I don't know anything about it.
Yes.
Do you play sports?
Yeah. When I was kid,
Okay. Did you play cricket or did you play other sports?
I play cricket and
Cricket.
badminton.
Ah, okay. All right. So a few different sports.
Yes.
Mm. Well, did you want to do this lesson about sports or do you want to just talk?
No, no lesson. Only
Okay.
conversation.
Okay. Perfect. All right.
I-
So
I- I- you like to see movie?
I do. I like movies and TV shows, but I do like to watch movies. I like fantasy and you know things that are
What type
fun.
what type of movies, yeah, series do you like see? I mean Indian, yeah, American, yeah, South, yeah. I mean South Korea, yeah, those Chinese.
Yeah. I actually have only seen one. Indian movie, but I do like to watch Japanese shows and sometimes Spanish, American. Um, I have had a lot of people recommend Korean shows and Korean movies to me, but I have never watched them.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
What you see in Indian movies?
um, uh, I think the name is just RRR. I think
Oh,
it's a movie on Netflix. Have to make sure this is the name, and then I'll tell you. Yes. Okay. Yes. So it's just triple R or RRR. I don't know how the
oh,
name
yes,
is.
so RRR.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
But that's the only movie that I've seen.
You like that?
I did. I did like it. It was pretty good. So I had
Oh.
someone recommended it to me, so I watched it.
You like action movie, love movie, magical movie, adventure.
Yes, I don't typically like action movies unless it is like fantasy action. I like fantasy action movies. So
Oh,
like romance and fun and
I
adventure.
I I also like action,
Yeah.
adventure, animals.
Yeah. Okay. So do you mostly watch Indian films or do you watch other things as well?
I see everything, Japanese, Bollywood, Hollywood,
Mm.
and South Korea, Chinese, some Chinese. So everything I
Okay.
see.
Lots of interest.
Yes.
I think mostly I watch American shows and Japanese. I watch a lot of Japanese anime.
Japanese language.
I study Japanese. So I don't speak it fluently, but I do study it.
How many languages you speak fluently?
Only English, fluently only English, but I study Japanese and I study Spanish.
Oh,
Yeah. I started learning Spanish when I was in middle school, but I stopped for many years and then decided I wanted to refresh my memory this year.
you never want to learn Indian language.
I don't know. I've never really thought about it, but maybe it is hard to learn languages though. It takes a lot of time and a lot of practice. So maybe
Yes, yes,
someday.
you're right.
Yeah. So who knows? I do want to focus on Japanese right now, and then maybe I'll try something else.
You want to go to Japan?
I would love to go to Japan. Yeah. My cousin's wife is Japanese, and
Oh,
so I would love to go while she is there because that would give me a reason to visit. So, but she travels a lot too, so she has not been to Japan in many years.
oh,
Yeah, someday I would like to visit, but like you, I want to see the whole world. So, I'm almost out of time, but it was very nice to meet you.
oh, it's nice to meet you. And your hair is nice.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. That's so nice.
When I saw your hair, then I decided I talk with you.
Oh, well, that's good. I very appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay,
Well, it
bye
was
bye.
very nice to meet you. Have a great night. Have a great day.
Yes,
Bye.
bye.